This is Cherie Michelle at Point Blue Conservation Science, and in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to use the Projectleader application to manage sampling units, specifically how to create a point count transect and populate it with points. You can access the Projectleader application either through the new biologist interface. If you choose a project for which you are a project leader, you will see a list of these tools over here under Projectleader Tools, and each of these links will take you to the Projectleader application. Or you can log in directly to the Projectleader application at data.prbo.org/apps/projectleaders. So what we want to do is we want to deal with creating and managing sampling units. So we're going to click here, and now we have to choose a project for which we will manage the sampling units, and I'm going to use the dummy project. The first thing we need to do is, if we don't already have one, we need to create a study area to house the transect. So I'm going to click on the uppermost level here, which is the name of the project, and I'm going to use the online form to add a sampling unit under the highlighted feature. Now I have to specify what I'm adding, and this is a study area. And now I give it a name, and I'm going to give it the name Test Study Area, or TSA, and I can put in a description, and I can use an online tool to sketch out where this area is, although this is not necessary. And if I wanted to keep it, I would say keep it. I'm not going to do that right now. So I'm going to save that test study area. And now that new study area will show up under the dummy project. Now I'm going to highlight that, and I'm going to create a point count transect under here by again using the online form. This time I'm creating a point count transect. And I will give it the name Test Transect, or TT. Put in a description. Now finally, I'm going to highlight the transect, and I'm going to add the point counts underneath the transect. And I can either do that using the online form again with the Google Map kind of tool to put in the points, or I can upload a shape file, GPSU file, waypoint plus file, KML file. I created a KML file using Google Earth, and I'm going to use that to create the points under here. So I'm going to say that I'm creating point count points, and now I need to specify where that file is located. And I browse to the file I have. Click Next, and it automatically will read the file that I've given it and show me all the points that are located underneath it. I'm going to choose all of them, select them, and say Process. So now when we look under the study area, the transect, we see all the points. If you need to modify anything or update, you can either use the editing, you can move things around in the hierarchy, or you can delete the highlighted feature, or you can update them. Thank you. I hope this was helpful.